We'll be looking at a clone question from ACS Primary, P4 SA2 paper in 2020, question number 43 of section C. Now the figure below, not drawn to scale, is made up of 2 squares and 2 rectangles. What is the area of rectangle P? Now to solve for the area of rectangle P, we will definitely need to find the length and the breadth of the rectangle. So have you spotted the key word in this question? And yes, the key word is squares. So what is so special about a square? Now remember, a square likes being perfect. So all sides of a square are the same, they are equal. So you identify the 2 squares over here. There's one over here which has all 4 sides equal, and another one over here having 4 equal sides too. Okay, so now let's take a look at the first square, which is the smaller one, having an area of 36 square centimeters. So our focus will be on this one first now. So to find the length and breadth of this square, we will need to know that some number multiplies by another number gives you 36. And that these 2 numbers here must be the same number since a square has 4 equal sides. So if you use your times table, you will be able to find out that 6 multiplies by 6 will give you 36. And so you will be able to label that the length and the breadth of this square here is 6 centimeters. Okay, so with this 6 centimeters over here, it will lead you to the breadth of P, which is 6 centimeters too. Okay, so now we have solved for the breadth of rectangle P. We just need to go and find what the length is. Okay, so we're going to look at the other square now, which is the one with 81 square centimeters. And so using the same concept, we will be able to find out that a number multiplies by another number to give you 81. And that we know these 2 numbers have to be the same. And so again, using your times table, you will be able to find out that the 2 numbers are 9 multiplies by 9. Okay, so the length over here will be 9 centimeters. And for this breadth, it's 9 centimeters too. So that will lead us to the length over here for this rectangle, having an area of 207 square centimeters. This breadth here will be 9 centimeters too, because it has the same breadth as the 9 cm over there. Okay, so since we have the breadth to be 9 cm for this rectangle, okay, I'm going to highlight this rectangle so that we can place our focus over here. You should know that to find the length of this rectangle, again, we are using the concept of length times breadth, the formula, to give us 207. Now, since we know that the length is 9 centimeters, let's fill that in. And so by working backwards, you will be able to find the length by using 207 to divide by 9. And that gives you 23 centimeters. So let's label that in again. So as I've mentioned, whenever we are doing visual questions, it's always good for you to make use of your diagram so you can label the information or whatever that you have found in your steps inside your diagram. That will help you to visualize your question better and also help you to link to the next step. Alright, now that we have this 9 centimeters and this 23 centimeters, how are we going to make use of that to find the length over here? As you can see, this entire length will be equivalent to this entire length. So they are both equal. So since we have the 9 centimeters and the 23 centimeters, we can find their total by using 9 to add 23, and that gives us an answer of 32. So that will mean that it's 32 centimeters over here. And since the top is the same, so the total over here will be 32 centimeters too. So with that, we will be able to find the length over here. And that gives us 32, when you use 32 to take away 6, and that gives you 26 centimeters. So it's 26 centimeters over here. Now with the length and the breadth for this rectangle found, we can find the area of rectangle P now by using 26 to multiply by 6. And that gives us an area of 156 square centimeters. So the answer to this question for the area of rectangle P is 156 square centimeters.